shoulder, you know. I said, God damn, you know. I told her to stop at Rite Aid, give me some Just Finesse. Said they have it for the balls. You know, they have it for the beard, mustache. Then they have it for the balls. So I went to my father-in-law house and dipped my balls inside his coffee grinds. Just brushed past him, you know. Enjoy your day, people. Just wanted to share that shit with you. Peace. Doing our thing. What up? What up? We out here doing our thing. You know. Can't fuck up the socks. Shit. Gentlemen, do not let your woman buy you clothes. I don't give a fuck if she's a clothes coordinator, a fashion designer, a fashionista. When she come to buying you some shit, best believe that ain't gonna be the shit that you fucking want. The color's gonna be all fucked up. There's gonna be too many pockets on the fucking jeans. She gonna get you some corny shit that she know you won't never wear in your life unless she brought it to make her feel good, cause other corny niggas is wearing it, right? Now, she know you wear Versace, whatever your choice, whatever the fuck you wear, name brand shit you wear, right? Your style. Now, if she comes and say, oh babe, I got your shirt, you know, in a Kmart bag, so you say cool, cause you know you're a dressing motherfucker, so you know how to put it together. But when she take it out the bag and that motherfucker be beige, green, with some yellow in it and brown, now, you know, it's a fucking problem. You gotta step back. And you gotta put the clothes on that she met you in, so she could reevaluate that shit in her motherfucking mind that she fucked up. See, I love my baby, but I don't let her buy my clothes. Fuck that shit, nigga. You know, she just want me for herself, so she'd come in this motherfucker with a trash bag sweatsuit and shit. And talking about, baby, you just gotta cut out the hoodie. That's all. Man, fuck that, nigga. Shit. Man, I'm fine. Buy me some goddamn socks. You can't fuck up the socks. Shit. All white or all black. Peace. Yeah, people, just a little taste. Holla at me. Throw this new Meek Mill's joint up in here. Holla.
Shall be televised. This year it's all about us, so fuck the other side. Gotta get killed on camera for us to come alive. What shit we did already from all this homicide. In my cell, hanging from a rope. Will you get less time for rape than for selling dope? Will you get the same time for dope, then you do a murder? Innocent till guilty, guilty the verdict. Before you even started, and hardly know we ain't noticed. Cause we was going to war